our main goal, the objective of today, is to get these mosquito nets mounted in this doorway. Oh, by the way, we moved into the van.
Yes, we've almost lived in the van for a month, almost. It's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
Time has flown by.
Yeah, it's almost June. Hope you all are faring the coronavirus well and you're happy and healthy and safe.
Our camera's been in our drawer and the cable to our microphone has just been in there getting knocked all around, and today we went to record and found out it's broken. So this is just the native mic. Probably doesn't sound as great, but we're doing it.
Tell me the mastery of what goes into.
I'm basically gonna take this mosquito net that's designed for regular old doors, and I'm gonna cut it and I'm gonna stick it underneath the gasket of the door so it'll hold it in place. And that's basically it. I mean, it's honestly a pretty simple job. You just take a mosquito net and modify it. You just cut the edges of it, stick it in there.
We tried this once before, but I think we were trying a little too hard.
Yeah.
We did it. There it is.
Still trimming the screen just a little bit. All I did was overlay the screen and I came through on the other side with a carpenter knife. And real carefully I cut it over the gasket. I made sure not to cut through the gasket, and since the edge of this is broken off, by coincidence, that actually really helped. It's been a minute since we posted. I got a good bit of footage that I still need to edit and go through. We haven't touched the camera since we moved into the van because unfortunately the day after we moved into the van, my dad passed away very unexpectedly, and it's just been a very tough time for me to find motivation. So
yeah, we have lots to come, but we're back now. Obviously we've been gone, and in that time lots of things have changed, right? So we don't live in our apartment anymore. Our lease is up, we moved out, and we're living in my godmother's yard. So COVID-19 came into our life at a really weird time. But obviously it's stopping us from traveling. Sorry, the bugs. It's stopping us from traveling like most people. We had planned to be on the road by the end of May, and that's just not going to be able. That's not happening as of right now. Yeah,
it's not feasible at this very moment. Right now we're looking at hopefully getting on the road around the end of June, possibly.
Fingers crossed.
I've still got to quit my job, so I'm going to be doing that soon, talking to my boss about the whole situation. And we've just got a few more things to knock out on the van.
And we have a van tour coming very soon.
Yes, we want to get everything done before we shoot the official tour video and really flex our van.
Yeah, but we have been living in it for the past month, and it's been really comfortable. Oh, the mosquitoes are out.
I know, man.
Do you see? Ew, I got one. Ew, ew, ew. Oh, Lord. Overall, things have been really good, and we've been very comfortable. And we appreciate all of the support that we've gotten. If you follow us on Instagram, you guys have been amazing, and we really appreciate that. If you don't follow us on Instagram, the link is in the description. Why are you not following us on Instagram?
Yeah, what the heck?
But
we've gotten some really, really kind messages towards my situation, and if you're watching this, I just want to say that I really, really appreciate it and your kind words. And I appreciate the small community that we have going on Instagram. You know, we have a lot of internet friends.
Yeah, and we're going to meet a lot of you really soon.
Yes.
But with all that being said, we are definitely going to be back very soon with regular content for you guys. We're sorry that it's been a minute, but considering
life happens, you know?
Life happens, but we're back now, and we're excited to be here. So
guys,
cheers.
Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get yourself a mosquito net, well, you can find the link to the exact same one we use right here in that description below. If you didn't know, we always include links in our description to every product used, every tool used in every single video. So if you're ever curious, just hit that expand button.
If you found value in this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And even you could do this. You could turn on that notification bell. And that way you're notified every time we post a new video. If you want to see me swat mosquitoes out of the air, come on back.
Alright guys, we're gonna get out of the bugs. Thanks for watching. See ya.
What does that smell?
I don't smell anything.
Oh, it's these peaches. I was like, man, something smells like damn peaches.